Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Z Flip 6 at the Unpacked event in Paris. Priced at $1,100, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will feature rounded corners, similar to its predecessor. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be available in silver shadow, blue, mint, and yellow colors. The phone is said to come with a 6.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X folding screen and a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED cover display to higher peak brightness of about 2,600 nits. Galaxy Z Flip 6 featured a dual camera setup, 50-megapixel primary camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, for selfies the same 10-megapixel camera as last year. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, also have 12 GB of RAM. This will be paired with either 256 GB or 512 GB of storage. The phone will also ship with One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14 out of the box and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. The device powered by a 4000 mAh battery with 25W wired charging through its USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. It have IP48 rated builds for dust and splash resistance as well as Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.